We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hi Glam Stars, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So recently I've been getting requests on doing a video to lighten up inner thighs, and y'all know that I always come through for my glam fam, okay? So if you have any video requests, leave them down below and I will try to get to them ASAP, okay? But in today's video we're going to be talking about lightening up the inner thighs. This is a problem that a lot of us young ladies suffer from, and a lot of us wonder, is there a way to reverse my inner thighs being dark? And I'm here to share with you all that yes, there is. And in today's video we're going to be discussing how you can keep those inner thighs lightened up or get them lightened up, okay? So I have the perfect mixture for all of you ladies on today, and if you do not have these products within your home, I will have all links listed down below as to where you can purchase them. The first item that you're going to need for this mixture is apple cider vinegar with mother. You heard me. I said apple cider vinegar with mother. Now I try to stay as far away from apple cider vinegar as I possibly can because it smells so horrible. But apple cider vinegar has so many benefits that you just cannot avoid the greatness of this product here, okay? But it can definitely lighten up those inner thighs, and let me tell you all exactly how. Though it smells horrible, it will be a great help for lightening up those inner thighs. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar helps in enhancing the pH balance of the skin and thus lightens the inner thighs gradually. So I know that we all strongly dislike the smell of apple cider vinegar and that I am not alone with that. But it is great for lightening up those inner thighs. Now I still stand very firm on the fact that I will never drink apple cider vinegar, but they always say never say never. But I definitely do and will use it to lighten up my inner thighs, okay? I can bear that smell. I'll just put me on a mask, okay? We already wear a mask now anyways. Next up, we have lemon. You can use lemon to lighten your inner thighs. This is due to the high concentration of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. This means that a humble lemon can be used to treat acne damage, dark spots, freckles, and other forms of hyperpigmentation. Next up in the mixture we have baking soda. Baking soda lightens the inner thighs naturally and removes all dark cells. So those are all the products that will be used in this mixture. Let's go ahead and let's mix it up, and I'll come back to you all with a little bit more commentary. mention this again, but this is not going to be the most delightful smelling thing. But it will definitely help to improve and lighten up those inner thighs over time. Definitely make sure that you are only using this before you are getting ready to take a shower. Now, I won't be able to share with you all the exact process because obviously it's only so much that you can show on YouTube. What you'll need for this mixture is a cotton round, and using circular motions, apply it to that area of concern. After you're done rubbing it in, let it sit for a good 15 minutes and then wash off in the shower. Very good, okay? And then after you finish that process, you can then apply any moisturizer of your choice, okay? So it is a very simple, easy process, and within the next few days, you should start seeing your inner thighs lighten up and become a little bit brighter, okay? And start to match the rest of your skin tone, because I know that that's an area that can be really dark, kind of like the underarms, where it's an area that's closed in frequently, so it can become that area that is just dark, okay? So this is one of the ways that you can lighten up your underarms, and you can also lighten up your inner thighs. So yeah, that is all that I had to share with my glam fam on today. I hope that you definitely found this video helpful, and if you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. And before I leave this video, I'm not going to leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my glam star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your consistent support, and thank you so much for being very active on my channel. And if you're looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Turn on your post notifications, because when I see that you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it on all of your social media platforms. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.